In our football tournament management system, we provide features for users, administrators, and tournament organizers. This includes the creation of tournaments, where users can add a description, set a start date and end date, select the tournament format, and define the number of players. Additionally, they can choose whether the tournament is in planning, active, or finished status. Once created, the tournament will appear in the View Tournaments section of the dashboard. By clicking on a tournament, its details will be displayed, where users can access the generated groups, the standings table, match days, and view any publications made for that tournament. We will use the Create Match Days feature, where we have options to add the match day number, date, status, and, if multiple fields are available at the same time, specify the number of fields. We can also define match duration, break time, and set start and end times for scheduling matches. When creating a match day, we can add matches by selecting the teams, setting the date and time, and assigning the field where the match will be played. The system takes into account whether teams have already faced each other before. Within the match details, we can access the referee report, manage cards, and record goals. When adding cards, you select the team, player, type of card, minute, and even assign a fee for the card. Cards can also be canceled, and a reason for the card can be specified. For goals, you select the team, player, minute, and type of goal. These features are designed to record cards and goals in real time, directly linked to players and teams. Both cards and goals contribute to the referee report, where you can define the refereeing fees per team, assign the referee in charge, and add observations. Once the match is completed, the report can be saved and finalized. This will update the match within the match day and automatically update the standings table. Returning to the dashboard, we can create groups, manage matches, control content, and configure users as captains or administrators. Each role has access to different actions within the system. We can also review finances to track overall and detailed income by team, manage debts from cards, and more. Now, accessing the system as a captain, they can add players, including their first name, last name, jersey number, playing position, and assign a starting goalkeeper if needed. Captains can also create and configure formations, positions, and lineups. These will be public, so participants can view team statistics. Lineups can be shared by downloading them as an image through a direct link or via WhatsApp. Captains can also view the matchday schedule and details, as well as their position in the standings. Finally, there is a public view available for general users, where they can access groups, standings, matchday details, and publications related to the tournament.